friends, welcome to Kiddos in Toonland. Today we'll swim with a friendly shark and learn our colors. Come on, let's start. Here comes red shark swimming by with a bright red hat. Oh my, oh my. Red, 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 let's all say red is the color for today. Sharks here, splashing around with the blue ball rolling on the ground. Blue, 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 clap along. Blue is the color in our song. Yellow shark shines so bright and sweet, carrying bananas, a yummy treat. Yellow, 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 cheer. Yellow is the color we love here. Green shark swims with leafy trees, dancing slowly in the ocean breeze. Green, 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 jump up high. Green is the color, give it a try. Shark now spins with pride, colors dancing side by side. Red, blue, yellow, green, and more. Learning colors is never a bore. Yay, we learn colors with Shark today. Sing and play the Kiddos way. Subscribe to Kiddos in Toonland, don't be late. More fun songs are on your plate.